I'm a music teacher and have been now for quite a while, but I was a professional musician and singer-songwriter for a long time. I must have been 3 or 4 years old, and you know that I started playing the piano. I like to say my best training was my mother singing in the car. There's really some truth to that because I grew up all over the world, and I didn't have a lot of successful professional musicians, at least in the classical field. You know, they have a very consistent type of training. They get trained very young and they go to the right music schools and they get the right music teachers and everything. I didn't have any of that. And I was involved in classical music for a good bit of time. I had German music teacher in Germany who might have been different from the other one, the one I had in Japan, or from different, and with completely different attitudes. So my training was really the opposite of what I would have needed to be a well-trained professional musician. And one of the reasons I think I'm happy being a music teacher is because I can use, I have a pretty wide range of interests in music, and I can use that as a music teacher. I mean, music is really, has become, it's really been my life professionally. And I mean, I've done music for as long as I can remember, and it's the only real jobs that I've ever had. And so I tend to be a little bit overly intellectual when I think about it. But I really do think that music is, first of all, it's a fantastic thing. It's a fantastic gift that human beings have, and that it's like a miniature model for everything in life, that if you look at it deeply enough and hard enough. So music, it's a way to get through to people and to communicate things that are really hard to communicate sometimes otherwise. And openness and tolerance and these things, all those, that's just all part of the same thing.